The BrainBit headband is a smart, wearable device that lets you monitor your brain activity easily and comfortably. Unlike traditional bulky EEG machines, it's a soft, flexible headband with 4 dry electrodes that rest on your head, detecting brain signals without the need for gels or complicated setups. Once connected to your phone or computer via Bluetooth, the BrainBit headband can track your brain waves in real time. It can show patterns related to focus, relaxation, or sleep, helping you understand how your mind works throughout the day. You can use it with compatible apps to improve meditation, boost concentration, or develop better sleep habits. It's also perfect for researchers or developers who want to create custom brain training tools or explore brain-computer interface projects, thanks to its free software development kit, SDK. The headband is lightweight and comfortable, allowing long sessions without discomfort, and it can run for up to 12 hours on a single charge. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is an advanced foldable drone designed for photographers, filmmakers, and drone enthusiasts who want stunning aerial footage. Its standout feature is a triple camera system that gives you incredible flexibility for capturing photos and videos. The main camera, made by Hasselblad, has a large 4:3 CMOS sensor, producing vibrant, true-to-life colors, and can shoot 5.1K video at 50 FPS, or 4K at up to 120 FPS. Alongside it, 2 telephoto cameras, medium and long zoom, allow you to capture distant subjects without losing detail. With a flight time of up to 43 minutes, the Mavic 3 Pro gives plenty of time to explore and film without constantly worrying about the battery. Safety is a priority too, with omnidirectional obstacle sensing that detects and avoids objects in all directions. Exo Zero G Robotic Arm. The Exo Zero G is an innovative robotic arm designed to make using heavy tools feel almost weightless. It's perfect for construction sites, scaffolding, or aerial work platforms, where holding and maneuvering large tools can be tiring and hard on the body. The arm uses spring-loaded, gravity-balancing technology to transfer the weight of tools from the worker's hands down into the base and onto the ground. This means even heavy equipment like grinders, drills, or impact hammers feels easy to handle. One of the best features of the Exo Zero G is that it doesn't need batteries or a power supply to operate. It can be set up in less than a minute and can support tools weighing up to 36 to 42 pounds, about 15 to 19 kilograms. Workers can move and operate these tools smoothly without straining their arms, shoulders, or back, reducing fatigue and the risk of injuries. By making heavy tool work easier and safer, the Exo Zero G boosts productivity and comfort on the job. Electric Thermal Weeder. The electric thermal weeder is a modern, eco-friendly tool that helps you remove weeds quickly and safely using heat instead of chemicals. It's perfect for gardens, driveways, patios, and paths, letting you get rid of unwanted plants without harming the environment or using harmful herbicides. The device works by heating a special metal tip or plate to extremely high temperatures, often around 600 degrees Celsius. When you place the heated tip over a weed, the intense heat destroys the plant cells, killing the weed within seconds. A protective cone focuses the heat only on the unwanted plant, so nearby flowers or grass stay safe. Because it's electric, there's no need for gas or chemical sprays, making it safe for pets, children, and the planet. The upright design and comfortable handle mean you can use it without bending over, and many models heat up quickly, letting you work efficiently without waiting. Geta AccuLighter Lift. The Geta AccuLighter Lift is a compact battery-powered material lift that makes moving heavy items up and down buildings quick and effortless. Instead of carrying heavy materials by hand, this lift can transport loads up to 120 kilos to heights of up to 10 meters at around 15 meters per minute, all with just the push of a button. Since it's cordless, there's no need to worry about power cables, making it perfect for construction sites, renovations, or DIY projects. It's designed to be user-friendly and versatile. A single person can set it up in just a few minutes without tools, thanks to its modular ladder system. The powerful 24-volt lithium-ion battery ensures smooth, reliable operation, and the lift can be controlled with a wireless remote. Some models even allow smartphone operation. The lift works with GDE's adjustable ladder system, letting you change heights from about 2.1 meters up to 10 meters by adding ladder sections. Gutster Demo Bar. The Gutster Demo Bar is a strong, heavy-duty tool designed to make demolition work faster, easier, and safer. Whether you're tearing down floors, walls, ceilings, or cabinets, this tool helps you get the job done with less effort than a regular crowbar. It's built from tough steel and designed to handle the stress of professional or home renovation projects. What makes the Gutster Demo Bar special is its clever head design, which provides a stable fulcrum for maximum leverage. This means you can lift, pry, and pull with less strain on your back and posture. The spear-shaped tip slides easily under floorboards, tiles, drywall, or beams, while a built-in nail puller lets you remove nails without needing an extra tool. The Demo Bar comes in different lengths, from compact models for tight spaces to full-size 1.2 meters, 48" versions for heavy-duty jobs. Its versatility makes it perfect for construction sites, renovation projects, or DIY home improvements. Hyperport. Hyperport is an innovative concept that reimagines how cargo moves between ports and inland hubs. Developed by Hyperloop Transportation Technologies in collaboration with Hamburger Hafen und Logistik AG, it uses futuristic Hyperloop technology to transport goods at incredible speeds inside low-pressure tubes. This system allows standard shipping containers to move faster, more efficiently, and in a more environmentally friendly way than traditional trucks or trains. With Hyperport, multiple 20 or 40-foot containers can travel safely and quickly, cutting down delivery times and reducing congestion at busy ports. Its enclosed design also helps lower emissions, making it a greener option for global trade. The technology is not just about speed, it's about improving reliability, efficiency, and sustainability in logistics, helping businesses move goods smarter and faster. INCO AHM112. The INCO AHM12 is a smart auto-darkening welding goggle designed to keep your eyes safe and comfortable during welding. Unlike traditional goggles, it automatically darkens when it senses the bright flash from welding, so you don't need to flip the lens manually. This protects your eyes from harmful UV and IR radiation while letting you focus clearly on your work. These goggles feature a wide viewing area of about 95 × 31 millimeters, giving you a clear view of your project. The lens reacts incredibly fast, changing from a light state, shade 3, to a dark state, shade 11, in less than 0.5 milliseconds, ensuring your eyes are protected immediately when welding starts. The lens also blocks UV and IR rays even before the darkening activates, offering complete eye safety. Lazareth LMV 496. The Lazareth LMV 496 is an extraordinary flying motorcycle from French maker Lazareth Automoto, often called La Moto Volante, meaning the flying motorcycle. This futuristic machine isn't just a showpiece, it can actually ride on the road and take off into the air. On the ground, it functions like a high-performance electric motorcycle, capable of traveling around 100 kilometers on a single charge. What makes the LMV 496 truly unique is its flying ability. It features 4 wheels powered by JetCat jet turbines, producing a combined thrust of about 1,300 horsepower. When activated, the wheels tilt and transform the bike into a hovering machine, allowing it to lift off and hover for short flights of around 10 minutes. This combination of speed, power, and vertical lift makes it one of the most exciting innovations in personal transport. Built with ultralight carbon and Kevlar materials, the LMV 496 blends futuristic design with real engineering. Sparkle Tornado Wearable Waist Air Conditioner. The Sparkle Tornado is a wearable air conditioner you can strap around your waist, giving you a personal cooling breeze wherever you go. Instead of relying on fans or traditional air conditioners, this hands-free device keeps you comfortable and cool, making it perfect for hot days, outdoor activities, or even indoor use. It works with multiple built-in fans arranged around the belt that blow air upward, creating a wide cooling effect. These fans move up to 585 liters of air per minute, providing a strong, refreshing breeze that helps lower your body temperature quickly. You can choose different cooling levels to match your comfort needs. Designed with comfort and portability in mind, the Sparkle Tornado is lightweight, quiet, and easy to wear for long periods. Its ergonomic silicone belt fits snugly around your waist without causing discomfort, so you can wear it while hiking, working, exercising, or relaxing at home. The rechargeable battery lasts around 3 to 3.5 hours, and you can even connect a power bank for extended use. Its compact and stylish design makes it convenient to carry and use anywhere. Overall, the Sparkle Tornado wearable waist air conditioner is a fun and practical way to beat the heat, combining portability, comfort, and effective cooling to keep you refreshed all day long.